When you apply for a business loan, there are items that lenders will check for approval. These are called lender compliance items. In most cases, the business loan officer sitting across the desk from you will not know what these items are. They mostly just take your application, feed it into the computer, and see what the computer says. Well, the computer says you are declined because the computer has checked your lender compliance items and found that 1 or 20 of them have not been completed. And that loan officer will probably not be able to tell you why. So let's look at why you got declined. Decline item number 1, business credit. The lender's computer just checked your business credit reports, and you either had no business credit at all, or your business credit scores were below 70 with all 3 major business credit reporting agencies, so your business loan application was declined. Decline item number 2, business address. The lender's computer just checked your business address against the U.S. Postal Service database, and it came back as non-business, so your business loan application was declined. Decline item number 3, business phone. The lender's computer just checked your business phone number against the FCC database, and it came back as a cell or residential phone number, so your business loan application was declined. Decline item number 4, entity in good standing. The lender's computer just checked with your Secretary of State, and your business was not listed, or it was listed as not in good standing, so your business loan application was declined. Decline item number 5, National 411. The lender's computer just checked with the National 411 Directory Assistance, and your business was not found, so your business loan application was declined. And there are typically about 15 more items that lenders will check. There's a reason that as high as 90% of all business loan applications get declined. It is because there's a lot more going on in the background for a business loan application than there is for a personal loan application. When you take the business finance pre-qualification test, you can be assured that when you apply, you are ready to be approved.